Welcome to a new Consumer review. Today we have something very special and traditional. Ta-dam! This is called Hatsapuri and it's a cheese bread from Georgia. Not to be confused with the state of Georgia, but the small country of Georgia in Western Asia right next to Russia. And like I said, this is very traditional. It's over a 5,000-year-old recipe, so it must be good. Let's go ahead and open the box and prepare it. Let's go. So here's the box. Hatsapuri, the cheese bread, 350 grams. And this is the guy who made the company and started selling this in Finland. Here's what it will look like when it's ready. Looks delicious. Lots of cheese. I think like half of this is cheese. And here's the nutrients, like 15 protein and 16 fat per 100. So that's a lot. And also the price. It's pretty high price, to be honest. $9.79. It's about the same as the takeaway pizza. And you have to make this yourself. But I think it will be worth it. It's something exotic and new. Let's see how it looks inside. Ooh, so this Hatsapuri. To be honest, it doesn't look so good when it's not ready. Like it's just just bread, like nothing else. Like, it smells really nice. So we put it in the oven, 250 degrees, and it says about 10 minutes or 6 minutes actually, and until the cheese is bubbling. Now we wait. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, the cheese is starting to bubble, and it's getting nice colors on the sides. So I think it's time to take it out. The smell, very good. Look at that. Nice. The final step is to put melted butter on it. I don't have any melted butter ready, so I think it's the same if I just put like cold butter. It will melt on its own. It's so hot. Oh, look at that. It's looking very juicy and yummy. It's like art. Look at this. Food art. Let's go ahead and slice it up and see how it looks inside. Very easy to cut. So that's one. And let's make 4 slices. Okay, the cuts are not so perfect because I only have this dull knife. Should be something sharper. Oh, look at this. Oh. Can you see? The cheese inside. Oh. Looks absolutely delicious. Nice. Reach up. Look at this. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's see if the Georgian cheese bread, Hatsapuri, is any good. It looks absolutely delicious. And the smell? It smells like when your mom made you pastry when you were a little kid. You can smell the love. But how is the actual taste? Let's try it. Disclaimer, this is very greasy, so be careful if you touch something afterwards. The cheese has a little bit freezed, so that's good. It means it's ready to eat, not too hot. Can't wait. Here we go. This just makes me happy. I was starving before, and you bite this, I already feel like I'm getting full. So good, so tasteful. The cheese, you bite it, it's like it's overflowing with the cheese. They didn't save the cheese when they made this, like. The cheese itself is also really unique taste. I think they call this like sulugun cheese or something. It's like Georgian recipe also. Just so good, I wanna eat and not do the review at all. All the way to the very sides, it's filled with cheese. So it's like, you know, the pizza has crust on the side. This one has even less crust on the side. It's all the way filled to the very end. The last bite, then it's one slice down. I gotta say, this is really good. Like, not only it fills you up, but it tastes good. This is 5,000-year-old recipe. Like, they used to eat this before they went to work. They like took this whole bread and they went to the mountains and they herd the sheep or something like that, and they took small bites during the day, and it kept them full the entire day when they worked. So I eat one slice and I'm already feeling like I'm getting full. Like, you can feed the whole family with maybe like one of these. Like, this is the food that helped humans to build civilizations. Like, this gave them energy. Let's take one more bite. The middle bite is the best, because like this middle part, this is where most of this is. It's hard to describe it because this is really unique. There's nothing quite like this. If you have like any xatʃ'ap'uri restaurants near you, I definitely recommend checking them out. Like, I think taste wise this is getting 10 out of 10. Like, it's really good and it's also keeping up the whole day. Like, one downside that I noticed is, maybe it's my own fault for putting too much butter, but it's really greasy. Everything gets greased. My fingers are greased. The whole plate around here is cheese, greased. And also another thing that I noticed, that after you finish the first slice and almost finish the second slice, it's starting to taste kind of the same. Like, it's getting a little bit boring. But you're not supposed to eat the whole thing in one go. Like the guys in a long time ago, they only took small bites and they eat when they were hungry during their workday. So if you wanna eat this, maybe like share it with 4 of your friends, because 1 or 2 slices is enough for you to make you full. This is definitely getting 10 out of 10 from me, taste wise. And thank you Ville Haapasalo for bringing this recipe to Finland. Otherwise I wouldn't have tasted this ever in my life. Now the price, 9.79 €. It's kind of high, to be honest, but I think it's worth to try it. But maybe not good to eat it like every day or not even every week. Maybe once a month is a good time to eat this. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and to all, if there's any Georgian people who are watching, your traditional food is one of the best I have ever eaten. Thank you. I want to visit Georgia one day and come to taste like more of this xatʃ'ap'uri, because I heard that they have many different variations of this. And they also have like National Khachapuri Day. Like, this is very sacred food over there, so I really wanna get more into this. But yeah, thanks for watching, and comment below if you have tasted this before and did you like it or not. And make sure to subscribe and like the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. The cheese bread.